Jack, settle down. What's wrong? Okay, whatever. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY, fashion, and sewing videos. And also don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on a future upload. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some really cool t-shirt ideas, or just shirt ideas in general. It doesn't have to be a t-shirt. Last year I did do a video that was very similar to this one, and I will link it below so you can go check that out. I love just getting stuff from the thrift store and making it my own. It's super easy and super fun, and it's just a cool chance to, you know, be creative with it. So I'm going to show you guys the materials that you're going to need, and then I'm going to show you guys what I have, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with these t-shirts. First thing you need are fabric scissors, and then you will need fabric glue, or you can use your sewing machine, but fabric glue is awesome, and I love the Fabri-Tac. I get this from Joann. And then you will need a t-shirt of your choice, and this is not a t-shirt, I guess technically. It's this really awesome sequin shirt that I found at Goodwill. I just love how sparkly it is, and I just thought that it needed something right here. What I'm going to do with the first t-shirt is I am going to take another shirt that I found at Goodwill. It's obviously way too small for me. It says Glitter Girl, and it has all these nail polishes all over it. I just think it's so bright and just colorful. I love all the neon colors on it. What I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to use my fabric glue, and I am going to glue it on the shirt. The cool thing about these shirts is it doesn't fray. So if you get a t-shirt with something on it that you like, you can just cut it out and just glue it on another shirt. I do this all the time, you guys. I am obsessed with doing it. I'm always going there and finding like really cute little t-shirts and then just making it, you know, like making a whole new shirt. Like I'll just sew a shirt and then I'll put this on it. And oh my gosh, like it's just so much fun. I love it. And that's literally all you have to do. It is that easy. And it's just such a cool idea though. And I didn't think of doing it until like a few months ago, honestly. And I don't know why I never thought to do it. I mean, sometimes I'll get the t-shirt and make it bigger, but you know, most of the time I'm just gonna cut this out because it's like a giant patch. Let's go ahead and move on to the second t-shirt idea. This is a shirt I found at a thrift store as well, and it is a Shrek t-shirt. I think it is a pajama top, and it's a size 10, and I think that is in a little boy size. I'm not sure. I mean, it could be a girl's, but I think it's boys. And the sleeves are going to be too small on me and too short. So what I like to do with these t-shirts, you can do this if the t-shirt fits around, and it might be a little tight, just depends on your measurements. I will take my scissors, my fabric scissors, and I will cut down here so that way, like, you can cut down further if you need to. I may not need to on this shirt since the armholes are pretty big. My arms are not too big. So you can like cut down as far as you need to. Then you're just gonna cut all the way up here. It'll just be a little crop top, and you can just leave the rest of it. And I mean, sometimes if I need to, I'll cut the bottom off as well, but I think this t-shirt's gonna be just fine. But since it doesn't fray, you don't have to hem it around here or at the bottom. You can if you want to, if you want it to look nicer. But honestly, like, I've worn these out and they look totally fine. They've lasted. I mean, there hasn't been a problem at all for me. Now I'm gonna try on the t-shirts for you guys and you can see what they look like. I hope you guys found inspiration from this video to create your own t-shirt looks, and I hope it gives you guys some cool ideas. Let me know if you guys decide to do this. I'd love to check yours out too. Leave a comment below. Which shirt was your favorite? Have you tried this before? Let me know what you guys thought of this video. I would love to hear your comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.